this. Stop with the fucking reality shows. I am so sick of this fucking bullshit with the fucking fake-ass marriages for money, the munchkin bachelor shit, and anything that has to do with greedy motherfuckers who will degrade themselves for cash. And that simpleton life, with that French Hilton bitch and that other illegitimate whore. How come these dumb bitches didn't get trampled by fucking cattle on that farm? I'm so sick of some pseudo-attractive bimbo selling her soul because she's fucking stupid. You want reality? How about a reality show where you oil up that Hilton bitch and throw her naked ass into an all-male jail cell filled with serial killers and sadists? Give them a bunch of 12-inch sharp objects and let them loose. Yeah, welcome to reality. And don't give me that "you're so cruel" bullshit. Not only would you have a reality show that people would actually want to watch, but you also have a great start for a series on an all-new network called The Snuff Channel. The whole channel would be dedicated to the elimination of a fucking moron every half hour. I would be personally involved in every show and would work overtime to ensure that 48 idiots were removed from society every day. See, I have ideas. Oh, and this fucking theory factor bullshit. Oh, whoop-de-doo. Eat a bunch of liquefied rats and we'll give you $3,000. I'm so sick of these shows that try to induce fear. You want to see fear? How about I sit your fucking contestants down in a small room, chain them down naked into metal chairs that are wired to a heating system. What you do is then you turn up the heat slowly over a 32-hour period, slowly increasing the amount of heat conducted through the metal chairs until it's as hot as a branding iron. And once they've passed out due to the extreme pain brought about by a 32-hour burning flesh fest, hang them on the wall by their arms in a room where the only visible thing is a sign that says, "You have this much time left to live," with a countdown underneath, starting at 24 hours and counting down by the second. So now they gotta hang there, just watching the clock, wondering what's going to happen. How are they gonna die? Will it be worse than a heating chair? No one knows. Once the clock gets down to the final seconds, you turn on all the lights and yell, "Surprise!" And if they don't die of a heart attack, you hit them in the face with a large pie. Sit back, all laugh, pretend it's all a joke. Lull them into a false sense of security by saying, "You've won $10 million. Then take out the razors and salt. You put one cut on their body, 2 inches long, every 15 minutes. And then hire some toothless bum to slowly tear open the wounds with his filthy fingernails while pouring salt in the cuts at the same time. I could go on, but I think that's a little too much reality for some of you. And I don't want to hear about how sick and twisted the ideas and concepts are in this cartoon. You don't like it? Too bad. If television had some decent shows to occupy and entertain my mind, I wouldn't have such demented thoughts. So it's your fault, not mine. Welcome to reality TV, assholes.